Here's old John T. Hardcore, the T's for testosterone. You know, people's always asking me, John T., what'd you do after you got out of the military? Well, old John T. don't like talking about himself too much, but I'll do it this here one time. Well, after I got out of the military, I decided to go back to my first love, baseball. I was a heck of a player there. You can imagine them professional teams is pretty glad to see old John T. Well, they snatched me up right off the bat there. I remember one night, had my favorite catcher there, Billy Joe Bob, behind the plate there, and I was on the mound. We was in about the 8th inning. It's a tight game there. Had this old boy, big feller, big corn-fed boy there. He's up to bat. Old Billy Joe Bob, he signaled for me to brush him away from the plate. Throw him a little pitch there high and tight. Well, I drawed back there. I threw that 127 mile an hour curveball I was noted for. Zoomed right, hit that boy right in the chest, went plumb through it. Billy Joe Bob picked that ball up off the ground, he ball wiping the guts off of it before he threw it back. Well, time went on there. They got to noticing my hitting talent there, much like the Babe there. They decided me playing every 3 or 4 days just wasn't getting it. They's gonna play me every night. They put me out there in the outfield chasing them fly balls around, but I could hit the ball every night. Well, you know what? I wound up with 824 home runs, 4,000 hits, and 798 stolen bases. You don't see old John T. mentioned in the record books of it. Well, they did a little testing on me. Said I had an unfair advantage. Said I tested positive for 1950's human growth hormone. You know what that is, don't you? Cheeseburgers, whole milk, and nanner pudding. Well, this is John T. Hardcore All-American. Signing off.